Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Shahid Taqir and I am here with lecture number 25. And the topic we have to discuss today is software testing. Before starting our today's lecture, we just have a recap of the previous lecture. We cover in the previous lecture information presentation, static information and dynamic information, data visualization, user support, user documentation, and user interface evaluation. Information presentation is concerned with presenting system information to system users. The information may be presented directly or may be transformed in some way for presentation. And there are two types of information: static information and dynamic information. Static information does not change during the session, while dynamic information is changed during the session. And there are information display factors that have the following questions: is the user interested in precise information or data relationships? How quickly do information values change? Must the change be indicated immediately? Is there a direct manipulation of interface? And there is another type of presentation: analog or digital presentation. Digital presentation, it is compact, takes up little screen space. Precise values can be communicated, while analog presentation, easier to get at glance impression of value, possible to show relative values, easier to see exceptional data values. Data visualization, concerned with techniques for displaying large amounts of information. Visualization can reveal relationships between entities and trends in the data. Possible data visualizations are whether information collected from a number of sources, the state of telephone network as a linked set of nodes, chemical plants visualized by showing pressures and temperatures in a linked set of tanks and pipelines. Then we have color displays. Color adds an extra dimension to an interface and can help the user understand complex information structures. User support. User guidance covers all system facilities to support users, including online help, error messaging, and manuals, etc. The user guidance system should be integrated with the user interface to help users when they need information about the system or when they make some kind of error. The help and message system should, if possible, be integrated. Error messages design is critically important. Poor error messages can mean that a user rejects rather than accepts a system. Messages should be polite, concise, consistent, and constructive. Design factors in messaging wording. There are certain factors that include context, experience, skill level, style, and culture. Help system design. Help means help I want help means help I am in trouble. Both of these requirements have to be taken into account in help system design. Help information should not simply be an online manual. Screens or windows don't map well onto paper pages. User documentation. As well as online information, paper documentation should be supplied with the system. Documentation should be designed for a range of users from an inexperienced to experienced, as well as manuals. Other easy to choose documentation such as quick reference cards may be provided. Documentation types: functional descriptions, introductory manuals, brief description of what the system can do. There are different types of documents: introductory manuals, system reference manuals, system installation manuals, and system administrators manual. And last, we have covered User interface evaluation. Some evaluation of user interface design should be carried out to assess its suitability. Full scale evaluation is very expensive and impractical for most systems. And that's the review of the previous lecture.